Hey, Dr. Shoshany, just wrapped up a video with an industry expert in the CBD cannabis space. For years, I've been recommending patients look for non-drug, non-surgical options, and what we've always leaned towards is instead of taking an aspirin or opioids, lean towards CBD. You've definitely been reading about CBD in the news, you've been seeing it on TV, everyone's talking about it right now. It's the hottest thing in the news. What is CBD? Well, basically CBD is a component found in the cannabis plant. Cannabis, marijuana, cannabis, same plant, same family, hemp, same family. But what's nice about CBD is it doesn't have any psychoactive effects. So you won't get high eating this, putting this on your body, but what you will get is it will help reduce inflammation, it'll help reduce pain, and it'll help bring your body back to a more homeostatic position. It's called IRI CBD. It's 100 milligrams. So if you have pain, disc irritations, hamstring injuries, this is a hell of a lot better than reaching for an aspirin or an Aleve. So we're putting together an educational workshop completely free. We're going to be doing it here in our Manhattan office within the next 2 weeks. So stay tuned. These products are legal in all 50 states. And I've been searching high and low for a product that I could use for myself comfortably, because before I sell something in my practice, I want to use it on myself. I've been doing a ton of videos lately, and this is something that I'm really excited to share because this stuff really works. I've been searching high and low for a topical product that works, that has menthol in it, which is one of the most important things because of the delivery system, and CBD. So stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe on Instagram and YouTube. Our website is drshoshany.com. Follow me on Instagram at Dr. Steve Shoshany or on YouTube at Dr. Steven Shoshany. I'm going to be posting the exact date. We're going to record it, but when you get here, we'll be doing a giveaway. We'll be giving away one of each product. We're going to be demoing the product. So if you're in New York City, you're interested, you want to learn about the latest, greatest, and best CBD products, we'll have them in our office demoing them and be giving away products. So stay tuned. We'll post the date soon.